Hello, Tony Vera, the Venice Owl. The call came over the police scanner as a man exposed himself. This man got off the plane and had to go to the bathroom and relieved himself without finding a bathroom. And it was a all alert. LAX Airport Police showed up along with the big wigs of American Airlines, and he was actually let go but put on the no-fly list. He explained to the cops and the higher ups that he had to go really bad. I believe he went around the gate area. So this is the video. Some folks are telling me, one person actually told me I shouldn't talk so much in the beginning of the video. I try to explain what's going on so you guys know what's happening in the video. I told the gentleman he should find another channel. My videos are educational. They're not for everybody, but that's the way it is. I missed a big one today. A man at Terminal 2 had on his carry-on bags, he had a loaded firearm, and then he took off running and winded up at the garage across the street, and then came back. He borrowed a phone from a limo driver, took off, ran in the Starbucks area down at Terminal 2, and was arrested by LAX Airport Police. I was happened early in the morning, and I was not at the airport yet, so I missed it. But things at the airport you shouldn't do. There's plenty of restrooms at the airport. Find a restroom. Do not go anywhere in the airport, because basically you can get arrested for that. It came over on the scanner as a man exposing himself. The man in the gray suit is higher up management, and I heard him tell the cops that this man will be put on the no-fly list. And he was extremely embarrassed and extremely sorry. And the reason why I'm showing this video is because when you go to an airport, there's certain things you shouldn't do. There's kids around, plenty of bathrooms around, so please don't do what this man did, And he cannot fly anymore American Airlines. So, gentlemen, please, man, please don't do this. So that's it at LAX today. And like I always say, here's the video.
Transport on your flight. Do not accept it and notify your flight personnel immediately. Do not leave luggage unattended. All carry-on and checked luggage is subject to search.
Go over there, man, please. Go over there.
This is LAX airport's police officer. He was with the crime intervention team, and he was leaving the airport after working a long day on his motorcycle, and he was hit by a driver who cut him off, and he was killed at the scene. I talked to a cop that works at LAX. It was close to the airport, and the cop knew him well and saw the body, and he was buried, but actually cremated. Great cop. I knew him. He was a firefighter too. And I'm going to end all my videos with a picture of this man. This man was an incredible cop, an incredible person. I only knew him at LAX, but I can tell you, his name is Michael, but he went out as Raz. Played baseball, softball, loved by many, and he went too young. The woman that cut him off was actually cited and not arrested because it was an accident. And brutal, man, brutal. You know, you never know when your time is gonna come. You know, so you gotta take every day like it's your last day. And much respect. I'm gonna miss you, dude. You were a great cop, and this is a great individual. I shot many videos of you at the airport. May you rest in peace, and you will be missed. So that's all I have to say at this point. Rest in peace, my friend Raz. LAX Airport Police with the crisis intervention team that take care of homeless, mentally ill, and people that are stranded at the airports. And he treated everybody the same, homeless, whatever. He talked to you with respect. This is a great cop. May you rest in peace.